Admiral Yamamoto knows he has to destroy the carriers he missed at Pearl Harbor. Knows if he could sink them, the west coast of the United States will be open for invasion. A battle is coming.
Dear Adelaide, there's not a bit of news that I can tell you, except that I am well. I have your and the children's pictures here with me, and I think of you all.
This is Johnny 1. Aircraft spotted in cloud cover. Need confirmation. Theirs or ours? That's them. We have no fighter cover, man. May God be with us all. Good luck, happy landings, and give them hell.
The battle was all but over. The Japanese were forced to turn back in defeat. But one lone submarine didn't heed the message and delivered the Yorktown her fatal blow.
This huge ship slowly sank below the water, the waves, until it disappeared, and we watched it until it was completely gone. It's a terrible thing that so-called civilized nations could do things like that to each other, convincing me that we're not really civilized yet.
The memorial on Midway Island reads, "They had no right to win, but they did. And in doing so, they changed the course of the war. Even against the greatest of odds, there is something in the human spirit, a magic blend of skill, faith, and valor that can lift a people from certain defeat to incredible victory."
But I was a rare engineer, and at one of the ships I was on, we had 9 qualified engineering officers. Unheard of, never before ever that the United States Navy had a ship with 9 qualified EIs on it. And we only had 2 ship drivers, so the captain asked us engineers who wanted to be a ship driver. Boy, Axel picked me, so 2 years I was a ship driver. So that's why I ended up going through the whole program to become a surface warfare.
Oh my gosh. Where are we?
This is a control center, and we were just in the war room. This is where everything happened, and Alex wants to press a lot of buttons.
Yes.
You think you got it under control, Alex?
To the very best of their abilities, from engineering to communications, I have to mold thousands of individuals in the middle of the ocean into a single functioning team. I have to inspire them every day to rise above personal issues, like being away from their families for months at a time. If just one Midway sailor fails, we all fail. I can guarantee you that can turn a few hairs gray.
Is mommy scared?
No.
Mommy's not
You got
scared.
scared? I'm scared. You come back soon here, okay?
Okay.